I'm not a new guy in this kind of area because I've been whole-time biohacker from 1980s. And now I'm presenting Leader Foods' new product line, those products that are first time in the package, which is made from Finnish company who has done technical processes to make plastic kind packages from wood and wood oils. And the second one is to give vitamins from plant-based foodstuffs. The future of new vitamins will start from this moment. We have been inspired by nature, and we like to use uncompromising raw materials in our products, which are long-lasting, efficiently absorbed, optimal nutrition density, and plant-based capsules. And of course, we manufacture these products in Finland, in Vantaa. This jar, which is maybe the most interesting in our product, is 100% biodegradable, and we use only renewable raw materials. It doesn't contain any harmful chemicals and no microplastics. And the wood is from Nordic countries, and it's of course totally recyclable and of course climate friendly. Our first and most important vitamin product is palm oil registered product, and it's made from quinoa shoots, and that's why they are very well digestibility, and they are just like foods. Here in Finland, our nutritional professionals have told us tens of years that vitamins from pills doesn't work. But right now, I'm telling you that our palm oil vitamins work very well, just like vitamins in foods. Our capsules in all our five Kulas products, they are gut-friendly, long-lasting, stomach acid resistant, and plant-based capsules. The second product is vitamin B product, and it's also palm oil product, and all those 8 B vitamins, they are organic, and they are absorbable just like vitamins in foods also. This one product is vegan product. The third product is Kulas magnesium product. We have 4 magnesium forms, and some of those forms are first time into Finland. We use magnesium bisglycinate, magnesium malate, and we use magnesium glycerophosphate, which is quite new in Finland, and also magnesium acetyl-taurate. Acetyl-taurate is very interesting because it's nowadays in EU it's the best form to bring magnesium to brain through blood-brain barrier. And then we have Vidakulas zinc. The zinc product has 3 different forms. The forms are zinc picolinate, zinc bisglycinate, and zinc malate. In addition to zinc, we have copper bisglycinate included, because if you use strong zinc products, it will harm our body's copper, and that's why we have added copper in right proportion to zinc, so that we can use safely very strong zinc products a long time. In addition, we have vitamin C and vitamin B6. And also this one, it's packed in vegetable capsule, and it's vegan product. I suppose I missed one slide. Sorry. No. If you are keen on our product, I will stay today and tomorrow, and please come to meet me. Thank you.